guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashi Adani and for today's video we have Alfia here with us.
Ta-da!
And we're going to be doing a mystery box challenge. Are you excited?
So excited! It feels like Christmas. I'm going to be opening gifts.
Yes. Let's get started. To give a little bit of context, this is our first ever mystery box ever. I've not
Yeah.
done it with anybody else. I think
Oh
you
my
have.
god. Yeah. You've not done it with anyone?
No, never.
Nice.
So this is my first mystery box and we
Bro,
saw...
technically even first of mine because I've done it, but I've done it with like my subscribers, but
yeah.
not with any creators. So wow.
We saw Janvi, Gopali and Mridul
Mridul.
do a video like this when two people were traveling and we both happened to be traveling around the same time. I went to Malaysia and she went to Turkey. So we thought it would be a great idea to buy
Yeah.
gifts for each other.
It looks fun when we watch it. So
Yeah.
it's so nice to be doing this right now, and I am so excited. So do you want to tell them the budget?
So the budget was around 9,000 rupees.
It was actually 10,000 initially,
10,000.
but because I went first और मेरे पैसे खत्म हो गए थे, so I could only shop for 9,000. So I told her कि okay 9,000
मेरा
मिल पाए.
9-10 के बीच में ही है. It's not like
Okay.
basically it's around the same budget.
10,
That's
yeah,
okay.
yeah.
And I didn't have a lot of gifts, so मैंने Blinkit से और gifts. I've just gift wrapped the gifts and kept them in this bag.
Not
Okay.
sponsored by Blinkit.
I wish.
So I am going to be blind picking my gift, whatever comes in my hand.
मैंने gift wrap किया है by the way, so I don't have any arts and crafts skills, so please excuse it. I have tried.
Oh, it
Okay, and I've
looks
written
so cute.
hints also for you to guess.
That is so cute, Ashi. 100 points for the effort. She's written something to keep you warm.
Guess कर पहले.
I think इसके अंदर कोई cardigan या maybe a scarf, muffler, gloves, everything that could keep me warm.
It's not though. You've not gotten it.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh shit.
Bro, it's a scarf.
It's a throw. It's not a scarf. It's a
throw for the sofa.
sofa. Yeah.
Oh.
And the reason I picked this up, the only reason I picked this up is because it's so soft.
It's so
I
I don't have a throw, so I'm like so happy because
For her
especially
couch.
Christmas is coming.
Yeah.
It's all like festive vibes, so ये हमको काम आएगा to like put it on and make a nice background.
And it is so like literally I have gone to my entire family. I'm like, touch this. It's so soft. It's so light.
It's so soft and the color is also so nice.
Yes.
A very nice baby pink color.
Yeah. So we're off to a good start.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go next.
When I got this something mini
For your
gift,
hair.
it says something for your hair. It's a clip. Claw clip.
Alfia loves claw clips is what
Yeah,
I was
bro.
saying. She has an entire collection
Collection.
inside which I saw and I was like, oh thank God.
Oh, how cute.
It's very...
It's a blue butterfly and it's something that I don't have in my collection, so...
and it's an iridescent color
Oh,
which I
yeah.
really like about it. Like that's why I picked it up. I saw it and I was like, she loves claw clips also and like magical lag raha hai thoda.
Yeah, it's giving very Disney princess.
Yes.
Nice. I'm going to put this in my collection now.
Yeah.
Another one added. Next up, we have Mehendi ka cone.
I started wrapping it and then I was like, Singchana jaisa lag raha hai, let me fold it. Then I folded it, I'm like, abhi to mehndi lag raha hai, but there's no winning.
Something you need in winters.
Huh? Oh yeah, correct. Sorry. I got
Is it hot
confused.
chocolate?
No.
Something you need in winters. ऐसे ही कुछ ही लग रहा है. Eatable है?
नहीं. Edible नहीं है.
What do I need in winters? Anyway, I can't guess anymore. Hand cream. Oh my god, but it has a Mickey Mouse on it.
So उधर के Miniso में there was a Disney themed beauty
Collection.
products.
Oh.
So there was like eyeliner and all, but then I was like, I'm not sure of the efficacy
Yeah.
of the product.
Yeah.
So this I used a tester. It's very nice. It's very light. It smells very nice. And Disney tha, so I was like, might as well. It's cute. And it also correlates to what we saw in Paris. So
Yeah. Yeah, we went to Disneyland together
Yeah.
and It's so cute.
It's very handy also.
Yeah,
You can
it's
carry
very
it
handy.
around.
Put it in the bag and
Yes.
really nice. I really love it.
So far so good.
Yeah.
मेरे को
So
stress
should-
हो रहा था. Like up until now, when I was shopping, I was so excited. I was like, I'm nailing this. And then she's like, I'm excited for you to see the gifts. And I was like, am I excited? Like I just got.
Yeah, I mean all the gifts that I got for her, somewhere I got like one for me also because I really like them.
Yeah.
So I'm like, I hope that she likes it. Okay.
Got it.
Anyway,
Next.
watch that video on my channel, okay? Next up, we have something to keep in your bag. Bro, like I'm just so bad at like guessing, especially when someone's filming me. I just can't use my brain. It's a passport holder.
No. But I just want to tell you, this is my mega gift. This has taken most of the budget. So think about
Oh my
it.
god, is it a Coach or Michael Kors or what? Because uski stories from Malaysia, she's just shopping.
Yeah.
And
उधर
she's
करने को
at
नहीं
all of
पड़ता.
these luxury stores posing with the
Yeah.
bag. Guys, which one? It's a
So,
wallet.
yeah, it's a wallet. But ये
About-
मेरे को end के लिए रखना था, but now she's picked it out, so it's fine.
About time that I get a wallet.
Yeah.
It's a Coach. It's my first Coach.
I know. I thought only Katie. I've seen her with Michael Kors. I've not seen her with a Coach.
Yeah.
And I was like, this classic black,
Wow.
minimal. I don't like the monogram, so I didn't pick
Yeah.
that.
Oh my god, that's a lot. काफी पैसे चले गए इसमें.
इसमें चलेगा.
It has a
actually.
lot of card holders. Very like
Yeah.
very compact. Also, I don't like big wallets. मतलब
Yeah.
मैं genuinely इतने छोटे वाले use करती हूँ in my personal
Hmm.
life. But I think this is like a decent
Small
size.
one, yeah.
And wow, I love the logo. Like the C
It's-
is just so classy.
Exactly. I didn't want to get that full Coach also. I didn't want to get the monogram also. It
Yeah.
doesn't look that good. And I wanted to get something small that you could even put in your mini bag.
हाँ ये कर लो पहले.
Yeah. It's so nice. I love it. Thank you. Something you can't leave at home. difficult इसने cues डाले हैं. You can't leave at home. Phone.
No, I didn't get you the new iPhone. I didn't get you.
Keys. Keychain.
Clothes. Yes,
Keychain.
keychain. It's a handmade one.
You made it.
No. I bought it, but it's handmade by other people.
Okay. Handmade from people of Malaysia.
Yes. So I went to this mall over there. So all this I picked up at the normal proper जो malls रहते हैं. This I went to this place where you can just buy souvenirs.
Souvenirs, yeah.
So it was all handmade. So a lot of the things now you'll see are mostly handmade and they are made udhar only. Like,
I
it's
love
very
it. So
nice.
when we were also doing this video, I just felt like, you know, I'll get to experience the
Udhar ka,
tradition
yeah.
and maybe culture via souvenirs and stuff of Malaysia, and she can do the same.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm excited.
So वही है. So like there were tiny stalls of people with their businesses. Like it was like a fun and fair type.
It's a tulip.
Yeah.
Bro, but it's so cute.
Yeah.
And it's
Matching.
So nice, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's move ahead. Do you want me to
Yes.
open the small ones or the big ones?
Any. Now मेरा ये हो गया. Now you can open in any order. Oh no, there is one. Show me. I'll tell you not to open it.
This?
Yeah, this you can open.
Okay, this I can open.
Read it.
Something for kitchen. Mug?
No.
Cutlery holder.
No. No, actually.
Tumbler.
No.
No, actually, yeah.
तूने बोला कुछ, but it's not exactly what you said, so I'll not give it.
Knife
to you.
set.
No.
Espresso machine.
No.
What else do I have in my kitchen?
I don't think you have this in your kitchen.
I don't.
think.
जापान कब गई तू? जापानीज में लिखा है इसके ऊपर कुछ तो.
Chinese है.
Oh. एक्चुअली मेरे को ऐसे लग रहा है तू कहीं और ही जाके आई है या तो इससे ब्लिंकिट
This was actually my first purchase. On day one,
Oh.
I went to this Chinese temple, which was beautiful. But unke baju mein there was this souvenir shop with like the
Oh.
fan and this. Even the
Oh,
scarf
yeah,
is
yeah.
from there.
Oh.
So, but this was one thing I saw, and I was like, I don't think she has it. I don't know how useful this is gonna be for you,
Okay.
but I just feel like aesthetics ke liye acha hai. So,
If it's aesthetic, then it's useful.
yeah. So it's basically like a tea set.
Oh my god, मुझे मेरे बचपन की याद आ गई इसको देख के. हम लोग बचपन में वो छोटे-छोटे टी
Tea
सेट्स
sets,
खरीदते
yeah,
थे.
exactly. So it's for your like a mini
Yeah.
tea sort of a thing.
Very cute. I have like a teapot,
हाँ,
but I don't use it. I don't know. मतलब मैंने तभी भी उसको cute दिख रहा था इसके लिए खरीदा था.
but now you have cute cups to go
Cups
with
also. Yeah. इसमें क्या आएगा? हम दोनों का patience.
it. Definitely.
So is it a thing like people drink?
Yes.
इतने छोटे-छोटे इसमें.
Yes.
Bro,
बहुत सारे थे, बहुत cute.
opening में एक बूंद निकलेगा इसमें.
Yeah, but cup भी overflow नहीं होना चाहिए.
Yeah, that's true. So this is reminding me of like Ninja Hattori and then how they used to have like
Yeah.
teas and
Tea in
stuff.
this, yeah.
Next we have something you need every morning. What is
क्या
it?
है
I
ये?
just I even
Even I forgot.
What?
Because
Coffee.
there are two morning ones. हाँ, okay, got it.
I'm gonna try guessing it. It's a soap.
Yes. So this is also a handmade product udhar ka.
It says sea cucumber handmade soap.
Yes.
What's a sea cucumber?
That I don't know. That I thought it was cool with design, so that I picked it up
Yeah.
because the design is very nice. No.
गिफ्ट ही छीन लिया मेरे से उसने. खोलना ही नहीं है. Okay, so this is the second last gift and I'm feeling too bad about it. The gifts are about
ये
to end.
ऐसे देखना है, पीछे से मत देखो.
क्यों?
गंदा पैक किया है. You have to see it from the front.
What is this packing? But like
It's like a, वो खुल नहीं रहा था. It was tearing, so then I
Okay.
just left it like this.
something to wake you up. Alarm clock.
Yes.
Why is it coffee? Coffee
It's
क्यों बना हुआ है?
coffee. It's pre-mixed iced white coffee.
Pre-mix ice cold white coffee. Then why did you say yes to alarm clock? मैं ढूंढ रही किधर है alarm clock का picture.
No, so it's that बाली में पिया था वैसा है. It's just you just have to add water and everything is ready basically.
Oh my god.
And
but
it
this is a lot. मतलब
for
quantity?
one box.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think milk be mixed है. So I don't know. We need to
Okay.
read the instructions and
Yeah, I'm
figure
gonna
that.
make it right away.
150 ml water में one serve.
Like have it chilled. It says serve
Hot
chilled.
also you can have लिखा है यहाँ पे hot serve. But I think chill will be more fun.
Sincerely
considering
brought to you by San Shu Wong. We recommend Lao Kia iced coffee, white coffee. That's the beautiful story. Okay. Nice.
it's nice.
Yeah, I'm so
only
happy.
1 week you can have coffee. So
8 packets only.
yes.
But sahi hai yaar. We'll make it right
We'll
away
make
and
it,
let you
yeah.
know how it tastes.
Yes. Now this is the last gift.
क्या है इसमें
ये
ऐसा?
तू guess करेगी मैं तेको कुछ भी देने को ready हूँ. Guess it and show. But read the hint.
Something to remember me by. आशी को मैं किससे याद करती हूँ? I just remember her with her driver and like her car and her soboness.
There is no car or driver in this.
Okay. मतलब एक कुछ तो है फ्लैट सा और उसके ऊपर पिन्स है. I don't know what that is because I give up. अच्छा ये वाला souvenir वाला थैली है ना?
Yeah. But
Fridge magnet.
No. अभी देख लिया अभी कुछ नहीं मिलेगा.
Oh. What?
So this is basically it's a coaster with our photo sketched on
Yeah, this is our photo from the
it.
Delhi trip.
Yeah. And ये मतलब वो रखने के लिए if you
Yeah,
want to
yeah,
keep it like this you
yeah,
can
I
keep
think
it but you
so.
can also use it as a coaster basically. It's a coaster.
Oh, that is so cute.
Yes. Do you like it?
I love it. this was so unexpected. Like,
Yeah.
I feel like Ashi is the last person that I expect her to, like, you know.
Agreed.
Yeah.
Agreed. I saw it and I was like,
Doesn't
and
suit
then
my
I was like-
personality.
then I was like, no, it's actually a really nice gift. So I
Yeah.
was like, I should give
I
it.
love it. So even for the letter that you had given me on my birthday with the bags,
Yeah.
I've kept it also. So
Yeah.
I'm really someone who likes, you know, all of
Cherishes
these
that, yeah.
personalized things, and it's so cute.
Can I show you the video of it being made? Because that
Oh
was
yeah, how
really
much time
good.
did it take?
Half an hour.
Oh.
मतलब this was also in that souvenir place only, the
Yeah.
mall. And so मैंने ये लिया and then I was roaming around picking everything else. So it gets like lasered on or something like that. But it was very cool to look at.
मस्त है यार.
So मैं ऐसे pass हो रही थी and I was like, ये cute लग रहा है, so I'll take a video.
Very nice.
So this is what it looks like.
Yay.
Tell me your favorite
Very
gift.
adorable. My favorite gift. इसके अंदर क्या था? कॉफी थी.
Yeah.
इसके अंदर
It has to be. Like even it's my favorite gift. Like I don't know.
yeah, like I thought that I'll be a little modest and be like, तो जो personalized बनाया है, like please, who
Be
am I going to
real.
lie to?
Be real.
I love this, and yeah, this was so unexpected. मतलब मेरे को मैंने देखा था कि वो shopping करी है, but for the budget that we had decided, I
Yeah.
knew कि इसमें कुछ भी नहीं आएगा. So I'm
No,
like,
no. ये एक आ गया. There was one more option. It was like the kind that you have that folding छोटा वाला.
yeah,
But then this is more my style, so I was like,
Yeah, this is
I
very
want you
you.
to experience my
my
style.
style. That was really nice.
This was fun. Now I'm excited for my gifts. So that video we'll be linking down below in the description box. So make sure to check it out.
Yes.
If you guys enjoyed this video, then please make sure to like it. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to Alfia's channel. I'll see you guys next Saturday.
Bye.